Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to guide you through the process of downloading Apache Hadoop on Windows. So first of all, I would like you to go to the links provided in the description and download Apache Hadoop, the JDK8 for Windows 64 and a configuration file available on GitHub. You can just download it as is it. For the Hadoop, just let me elaborate. Click on the download button and you should see 3.3.3. Click on binary and click on the first link available and your file should start downloading. Similarly on JDK8, you should see if your Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit. This one is for 64 and I'm going to download this one. As soon as we click the button, we accept the terms and services and click download. Next, they will ask you to sign in using your account. So make an account, and as soon as you click in the sign in button, your download should start. Once you have downloaded all the files, we will start installing them on our computer. First of all, I'm going to install the Java Development Kit. Make sure you use the Java 8 version because Hadoop only works for Java 8. So as soon as the installation file is open, click on next and change the directory of the installation. Click on the change button. As soon as you go there, go back and go back. You should reach the program files. Again, go back. In the local disk C directory, create a new folder. Name it Java. Click OK and click on next. This should install our JDK package into the Java folder we have created. Alright, so here you will get the prompt that Java Software Development Kit 8 update has been successfully installed. Click on the close button. Next, you need to extract the Hadoop WinRAR compiled file, which it's going to about 615 MB. You right click the file, go to extract files, and then select local disk C. As soon as you select local disk C, create a new folder in local disk C. Name that folder Hadoop and click on OK. Alright, click on OK, and the file will be extracted to the C disk within a folder named Hadoop. And you will meet with a diagnosis message that is going warning. Please ignore that. Click on the close button. Now, after we have installed both of these two files, go to the C disk where we have created the folders. You should see a Hadoop folder and it contains Hadoop 3.33 and this is a empty folder. We can delete that. Alright, and we can see the Java folder is also available here. Next, we need to set up the environmental variables. So just go to the start and search environmental variable. You should see the edit system environment variables. Hit on enter and click this button. Now we are going to add a new variable. Click on that right here, Hadoop. Uh, home, and we will just copy the directory of Hadoop 3.3 and the bin folder. You copy this, go here and paste it. Click hit on OK. Next we need to add the variable for Java. So just write Java home and again go to oversee this, go to the Java folder. You should see the bin. There it is, and open the bin, copy and just paste on the variable value. Okay, so when you have added the Hadoop home and the Java home variables, next go to the path variable, hit on edit, and you should see this I have just added recently, but what you should do is you should click on new and write the same values as before you have done. You can write java slash bin and click on enter. Then you should add a new, and you should add the Hadoop bin. Once that's once this is done, let's move on to the next step. So next we need to modify some of the XML files that are in Hadoop. So to do that, we go to Hadoop folder, go to the etc folder in the Hadoop, and next we try to, this will be available in the description, so you can just copy and paste. So in the core site.axml, we have to copy and paste this code. Core site, let's find it. There it is. Edit with Notepad++ here and paste. That's for the core site. Here is the, now next we need to change the map red dash site. Here edit with Notepad++. Go to the provided code, copy this and paste. Save that. Also remember to save after applying the modification. Uh, Go to the temp folder. Let's see, the next is the HDFS. Paste it. And the last file we need to modify is the yarn site. So let's just copy the code and find the yarn site. There it is. Edit and paste it right here. And we have done with our main process. Also, once we have done all the changes to the XML file, we have to change one last thing, and that is the Hadoop environment command prompt. Edit with Notepad++, and here, as you can see, the Java home, we have to in enter the same path we did as before in the system variable. So let us go back to the cdisk, go to Java, and that's it. Copy and paste. And that's our Java home set. Next, use the provided configuration file. Uh, Use the file we have downloaded from the GitHub. Extract the file. Uh, Once it's extracted, copy the bin folder, or you can cut it, and go back to the Hadoop folder that we have created in the C disk and paste it here. Here, select replace the file in the destination, and as you can see, your bin folder will have all the executable files. Okay, once we have configured the XML files and we have changed the hadoop.env, create a new folder in the Hadoop directory and name it data. And inside the data folder, create a new folder, call it name node, and we make another folder, and its name will be data node. Once we have created the folder, we have completed the process. Now just go to the bin folder, write cmd in the top bar, and enter hdfs name node dash format. And this will clear out the name node of the of the entire server. And we have, once this command line is completed, we are going to test if our Hadoop server is working or not. And to do that, once we have run the name node format command, go to the sbin, hit cmd here, and then write start dash all dot cmd. Click on enter, and you should see the following distribution start running: the name node, data node, resource, and the node manager. Once all of this is done, go to the browser you're using, open a new tab, write local host 9870, and from here you can see the Hadoop is active. We have just recently started it, the date, the cluster ID, the block pool, and everything you will have to know is available right here. So that's how you install Hadoop, and it's, as you can see, it's working on my C disk for storing data and whatnot. Alright, thank you everyone for watching this video. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if this video has helped you. Thank you very much. Goodbye.